Hi everyone, in this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Word product activation failed in Windows 10 or 11. First things first, if you are experiencing this situation, you want to open File Explorer. Once you are here, navigate to your C drive, go to Program Files, then find the Microsoft Office folder. In here, open the Office 16 folder. Then locate the file named ospfreearm.exe. Then you want to right click on it and click on Run as Administrator. Lastly, close Microsoft Word if it's open, then open Microsoft Word again to see if the product activation is now working. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you.